Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make carrot chutney today. This is good with rice or roti or whatever you like. You can put it in between like a sandwich between a couple of pieces of slices of bread and eat as a sandwich too. And for this we need grated carrots. Here I used a couple of them long ones, and we need a quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, and about 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I always tell you, chili powder and salt is up to your taste. This is pretty good, medium spicy. I took about a teaspoon and a half of salt, and about a tablespoon of oil. And this powder is cumin and fenugreek powder. I roast them separately and make it into a powder, and keep it. That I took about a quarter teaspoon too. And this is lemon juice. Use the real lemon juice, bottle juice. But if you're taking fresh lemon juice, just a couple of big lemons are okay. Since I have this is not as concentrated as the real lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, so I just took little more. This is about 1/4 cup of it, and I added the lemon juice to the carrots, grated carrots, and added all this other spices like turmeric, fenugreek, and cumin powder, and chili powder and salt. So now we need to mix it well, and now we need to make the seasoning for this. And about the salt, I'm going to tell you something. Since lemon juice is sour, when if you keep it for longer time, anything like like a marinade or whatever it is, like if you already mix the carrots with the lemon juice, so it's going to be little the carrots are going to absorb all the sourness from the lemon juice, and the salt and all the other spices you mixed. Lemon juice is going to mix well with them, and after waiting for some time, it's going to, here I took 2 dry chilies and cut into pieces, and it's going to be like a little salt is going to be a little less. After a while you see it. If you feel the salt is less, add some more. Here I took the curry leaves, and this is asafoetida. I just need a pinch of it, not too much, maybe 1/8 teaspoon of it. So now on the stove I'm making the seasoning. I have this seasoning, I don't know, you don't find it here like in United States, but India it's pretty common. For the seasoning, like we use this bowl, and I added a tablespoon of oil to that, and added all the other ingredients. Like here I'm mixing while the oil is heating up. I'm mixing everything very well. And for this seasoning, see, always lemon juice is going to fresh or anything, bottled lemon juice is going to take over the taste, so you need to add the salt and chili powder later on if you need more. So here the oil is ready. I added the cumin seeds, also mustard seeds, red dry chilies, and also curry leaves, and fry it until it's slightly brown. You see the color, it is little slightly brown. Then turn off the stove and take it out the stove once it is reached that color. You don't want to burn it. Take it off of the stove, and now add the asafoetida. Asafoetida is just about a 1/8 teaspoon or maybe a little less too. So add it in there and mix well, and pour it on the top of it and mix well. Today I'm you holding the camera with one hand and trying to mix it. It's not working. I need to find the stand. So I mixed it well, and you can eat it with rice or roti or any dosha, idli, anything you make. It is very tasty. So always, since you use the lemon juice, you always keep it for some time. An hour later, check it. If the salt and chili powder are less, you feel it is not enough, add some more. There is no set taste, like, everybody's taste is different. So some people are okay with it, some people are not. It's up to you what you want to do. Hope you like the video. If you do, please subscribe my channel. I'll be posting more easy recipes like this. Thank you for watching.